Tonight, investigators are trying to solve a bizarre mystery in Flagler County.
A number of people say they felt the ground shake today. Several people around the Palm Coast area called in to report it. And people in the Daytona North area, as well as in Deltona and as far north as St. Augustine, say they felt it too. Channel 9's Jason Allen is live in Flagler County, and Jason, some worried it was an earthquake.
The Emergency Management Office has been on the phone here all day trying to figure this out. This was not a boom, an audible boom, at least not as described to us, but it was more of an actual shaking, buildings shaking. In fact, a dispatcher here at the county actually felt it happen.
I live alone, I'm blind, and a while ago the house was shaking. Did you happen to know?
I'm not sure. We're actually getting quite a few calls about it now. We're having someone check it out, okay?
That 911 call was one of about a dozen calls that poured into Flagler County about 9:30 Friday morning. An unexplained phenomenon described as everything from a low rumble to a window-shaking movement rattled residents from St. Augustine to Palm Coast.
Around rumbled and the building rumbled, and definitely abnormal for here.
We found at least two people who have experienced sonic booms and earthquakes from time spent in California.
That's what it felt like. It definitely felt like an earthquake.
Enough to make you look toward the ocean and go, okay, what's next? Tsunami?
5/21/2011. It's right now 4:47 a.m. Saturday morning. This noise has been going on since like 3 o'clock, off and on. I don't know what the hell that is. You see the moon up there shining bright. That noise.
Check this shit out. Listen to that. That is fucking crazy.
Where's that from?
I don't know. Sounds like a giant flame or something. I'm gonna walk across the street. Idea what that is. I've ever heard.
Feels like it's getting close, Dylan. Yeah. There went something. What is that? That feels like it's getting very close. Where is it? It's not back that way. It's up in this corner. Don't go out there. Do you see anything? I know it's coming from there somewhere.
Get the kids in the bathroom.
I hear the wind.
Get the kids in the bathroom.
Get in the bathroom. Get. It's getting close. Jesus, Jesus. This is not good, y'all. No, I don't see anything yet. Did you see the lightning? Oh God, I don't feel good. Oh Lord, in the name of Jesus. Why is there nothing on TV? Jesus. Keep the tornadoes away from the house, please. What was that? I don't know where the safest part of this house is at. It's on the ground for sure. I feel it. You see anything?
Yes, ma'am. Has there been any reports of any tornadoes out toward the airport? Because it's really, really loud out here. I'm on Spring Hill Road on Walnut Grove Lane. It's about 3 miles south on Spring Hill Road. And it has just been going on for a while. And Walnut Grove Lane. Sorry, I'm shaking. Okay, I don't. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
They got a lot of calls, but she said we don't know if it's a tornado or not. They got if it is to get into a state. Uh-oh, what was that? I don't hear it anymore, Till. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Whew.
You seen what's happening over there?
What's going on?
There's one going up and joining it.
Yeah?
Go right fucking to it.
That line?
Yeah, there's one coming up from the bottom.
On the left? Oh, the one at the bottom, yeah, it's split.
No, it's coming up. There's
It's
one
coming up to it?
it.
It's coming up to it. I got it on film right now.
So,
Listen.
It just disappeared, Mars.
What did?
The trail that was making that trail went all the way up to there, and it just disappeared again.
Okay, I got something else on here.